chills on a summer day, yeah. When we're laying still, but you make my heart race. Gonna keep me young when we're old and gray. I know that time moves on, but some things don't change. I won't stop getting butterflies. I get them every time I look into your eyes. You won't stop running through my mind for the rest of both our lives. You give me butterflies, and I keep on getting butterflies.
I still fall in love with you every time I see your eyes. It takes me back to the first time I saw you smile. They told us we were young and dumb, we didn't know about love. Now look at all the things we've become.
I won't stop getting butterflies. I get them every time I look into your eyes. You won't stop running through my mind for the rest of both our lives. You give me butterflies.
I keep on getting,
Keep on getting,
I keep on getting
butterflies.
Dear gracious and heavenly Father, we thank you for this opportunity for these families to come together. We thank you for this beautiful weather, this gorgeous day, and the love that comes here together during this marriage.
Everything from now on, won't have to walk this road alone. Oh, my yesterdays and my tomorrows, all my laughter and my sorrow.
Mackenzie, the first day I met you, I knew there was something special about you. And boy, was I right.
I moved to Portland for an adventure. Little did I know that God had a bigger adventure planned for the both of us.
You know me better than anyone else in the world, and somehow you still managed to love me.
I promise to love you unconditionally, through thick and thin, and in sickness and in health.
I take you to be my partner for life. I promise above all else to live in truth with you and communicate fully and fearlessly.
I promise that as we adventure through the rest of our lives together, I will always be by your side.
Laughing and working as a team together as we start a family of our own.
I love you, faithfully and proudly.
I love you, Mackenzie.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Wagner.
In my chest, I would try to make happiness be a strength. Whenever you get weak, and even the times when they get rough, baby, I will pick you up, give you all the loving that you need. Till the stars fall out of the sky and the rivers, they all run dry. Baby, you're my only one. Are you the only one lost in the millions? Or are you my grain of sand